Welcome to Future Aspirants. Now we will discuss 7th and 8th August 2021 daily current affairs. Neeraj Chopra has won a gold medal for India in the javelin throw event at Tokyo Olympics. Neeraj Chopra wins Olympic gold medal in javelin throw. This is India's 7th medal at Tokyo 2020, the best ever made medal haul for India at single edition of the Games. Whereas Neeraj Chopra's gold is also India's second ever individual gold medal at the Olympics after Abhinav Bindra in shooting. India's first medal gold, Abhinav Bindra in shooting. Neeraj Chopra wins Olympic gold medal in javelin throw at Tokyo Olympics. Indian wrestler Bajrang Punia has won the Olympic wrestling bronze medal. Bajrang Punia wins Olympic wrestling bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics 2020. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, Indian Navy ship Vikrant, set sail to begin its first sea trial. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant, set sail to begin its first sea trial. INS Vikrant was designed by Indian Navy's Directorate of Naval Design (DND), Indian Navy's DND, Directorate of Naval Design, and built at Cochin Shipyard Limited (CSL), Cochin Shipyard Limited. Whereas it will be commissioned into the Indian Navy by August 2022. INS Vikrant will be commissioned into Indian Navy by August 2022. The second IEEE International Conference, IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers International Conference on Range Technology, is being held virtually. The conference has been organized by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Second IEEE International Conference on Range Technology is being held virtually. The conference has been organized by DRDO. Chairman of DRDO, G. Satish Reddy. Indian wrestler Labanshu Sharma wins Bharat Kesari Wrestling Dangal 2021, organized in Tamil Nadu. 20 years since the formation of Uttarakhand, Labanshu has broken the drought and won the title of Bharat Kesari for the state. Governor of Uttarakhand, Baby Rani Maurya, Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Pushkar Singh Dhami, who wins Bharat Kesari Wrestling Dangal for Uttarakhand, Labanshu Sharma. Power Minister R.K. Singh has launched an e-certification program, that is Reform and Regulatory Knowledge Base for Power Sector. The e-certification program is Reform and Regulatory Knowledge Base for Power Sector to provide regulatory training. Power Minister R.K. Singh has launched e-certification program, that is Reform and Regulatory Knowledge Base for Power Sector to provide regulatory training. India has marked the 7th National Handloom Day on 7th August to showcase the legacy of the Indian handloom industry, whereas the day is to commemorate the Swadeshi movement and to celebrate our country's rich fabrics and colorful weaves. National Handloom Day is observed on 7th August. It is 7th National Handloom Day. It was first observed in 2015 by Government of India. National Handloom Day, 7th August. Bhutan's India-assisted Mang Dechu hydroelectric project was conferred with Brunel Medal awarded by the London-based Institute of Civil Engineers (ICE). Mang Dechu hydroelectric project in Bhutan gets Brunel Medal award by London-based Institute of Civil Engineers (ICE). The project will reduce 2.4 million tons of greenhouse gases 2.4 million tons of greenhouse gas emissions each year. Capital of Bhutan, Thimphu. Bhutan Prime Minister Lotse Tshering. Bhutan currency Bhutanese Gruttom. Eurosport India has appointed Bollywood superstar and MotoGP enthusiast John Abraham as the MotoGP brand ambassador. Eurosport India has who has appointed John Abraham as the MotoGP brand ambassador. Who appointed MotoGP brand ambassador by Eurosport India? John Abraham. India's first heart failure biobank starts at SCTIMST, Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology in Kerala. India's first heart failure biobank starts at SCTIMST in Kerala, that is Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology. Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan, Kerala Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank SSFB has launched a Suryodaya Health and Wellness Savings Account. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank launched Suryodaya Health and Wellness Savings Account to help customers grow their wealth and also take care of their family's health amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Which bank has launched Health and Wellness Savings Account? Suryodaya Small Finance Bank. MD and CEO of Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, Bhaskar Babu Ramchandran. SBI General Insurance, one of India's leading general insurance companies, SBI General Insurance, has announced a tie-up with Manipal Business Solutions to increase insurance penetration in the rural markets, that is SahiPay. SahiPay, the fastest growing tech-enabled financial inclusion platform of Manipal Business Solutions. SBI General Insurance partners with SahiPay to offer general insurance products. SahiPay is the fastest growing tech-enabled financial inclusion platform of Manipal Business Solutions. SBI General Insurance headquarters located at Mumbai. SBI General Insurance founded on 2009. CEO of SBI General Insurance, Prakash Chandra Kanpal. Pani Ma or Water Month has been launched in Ladakh to inform villagers about the importance of clean water. Pani Ma or Water Month has been launched in which to raise awareness about clean water. Ladakh. Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Radhakrishna Mathur. Whereas the Ladakh government has also announced a reward of 2.5 million rupees for the first block in each district that achieved the status of Har Ghar Jal. Ladakh launches Pani Ma to raise awareness about clean water. Thank you for watching.